अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक ईजी डिश ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए। पोहा बना लेते हैं। पोहा इज़ अ वेरी लाइट एंड वर्सटाइल इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट डिश, वेरी ईजी टू मेक एंड अ वेरी क्विक एंड न्यूट्रिशियस स्टार्ट टू योर डे। तो ये वेजीज के साथ में भी बना सकते हैं, या फिर जस्ट लाइटली रोस्ट पीनट्स एंड अनियंस, यू कैन मेक इट दैट वे एज वेल। जैसा हम उपमा बनाते हैं वैसे भी बना सकते हैं। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। एक कढ़ाई में ऐड 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Till the oil becomes hot, I'll just show you the poha that I have taken. Poha is beaten rice. Now I have taken the medium thick variety. I've taken a cup of it. It's very easy to rinse it out and let it drain. It does not change shape, nor does it become very soft. While the paper thin variety, the moment you try to wash it or rinse it out, it becomes soft and forms a lump. So it's better to use the paper thin variety to make mixtures and any other snacks. Rinse out the thick poha 2 times and let it drain. Once the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Also add 2 green chillies slit. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Lightly roast them for a few seconds and then add 1 onion finely chopped. Onion को अच्छे से फ्राई करिए, सौटे करिए till they become translucent and light brown. Now add 1 small potato, boiled and cut into cubes. Continue sauteing and now add a pinch of salt so that the potatoes don't taste bland. Saute for another 30 seconds or so. Cover, keep on low flame and let it cook for a minute or two. Don't forget to stir in between. We haven't added any water as yet. We had cut the potatoes and left them in a bowl of water, so the residue of that water is there as well. But even then, to avoid catching at the bottom of the pan, keep the flame on very low and stir in between. After 2 minutes, the potatoes are nicely done. Just mix once and add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix and add another half a teaspoon of salt. This is over and above the pinch of salt that we had added while adding the potatoes. Mix and now let's add the rinsed and drained poha. As you can see, the poha is nice and separate. Add the poha to the masala. Saute with a very light hand. Mix well. The water has been completely drained from the poha. Saute for a minute or so. And now let's sprinkle a few drops of water. Cover and keep it on dum for a minute or two. Let's check after 2 minutes. The poha is nice and done. So as a final touch, add a handful of freshly grated coconut. This is completely optional, but it gives a very nice taste to the poha potato mix. Mix well and add the juice of half a lemon. Switch off the flame, mix again, cover, and that's it. Healthy breakfast is ready to serve. Garnish with coriander leaves if you wish. Poha is very easy on our tummy and perfect for any time of the year. Spruce it up with veggies or with a simple tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.